Jordan, the article I found off of Marketing and Sales Soft Skills is the top 10 soft skills that boost a sales career. And then when you go down, it talks about the baseline skills in sales careers. I focused more on these because it talked about your communication skills, which you highlighted as being personable and sociable. I feel like this is effective that you have to be able to communicate with your customers, which will fall into the customer service category. Next, you would outline the organizational skills that will be needed to schedule time with customers and ensure that everything gets completed on the job. This is also outlined in this article as a baseline skill that's going to be needed in a sales career, which will also be needed in a marketing career. Another thing that you had pointed out is time management. This will be very effective when it comes to helping out make sure all your customer service gets completed in a timely fashion. And then you have just communication in general, going back to the beginning and making sure you can communicate with your customers to have effective time management, effective customer service, and this all comes back to if you're organized and are able to lay out your day-to-day basis of everything that has to be completed on the job. This article outlines just the importance of these skills that are needed in sales.